mafia, we have to hold the faith. But if a rookie violate, me nah go hold me brakes. Shot off the bone face, and blood a drip on me clocks when it touch me.
People, welcome to Jamaica on the spot freestyle. It's your boy Mafia, or I should have said One Mafia. And enough about me come to talk about the G twin them. The man them change them name here now to 1G. So we want to know what happened to 1G right now. So I could go in at the clippings now.
Matty them charge you a music go go. A little bit of rubber for the clip so smoke. Bench up boss with the high grade move. You a whole heap away, they will never bought food. Dog them there, them still a improve. Money have to make for the G them move. One loyalty and one family me choose.
Them say you're deaf. If you like what I want, just like, share, comment and click the notification, man. Hurry up and do it.
I want them know about Middle East. Loyalty no have to speak. My fully clip and then my squeeze. Rumble and have to honor me. Me we murder your family. Them little badness up at me. And I'm murder nobody so them could no be one away. The 16 clap yo with horse money. I tell you some must put a ghost on it. So don't chase me stay humble like the flowers on the garden. When me cross you nothing can pass me. If I go violate just cut it. 1G. Them skin, Rugo, gunshot bleach your skin, Rugo, whiter than cartel skin, Rugo, them both in a bad yet. Them kids sing and feel like they get wet. But anytime we cut them up, we take them. I in a head, we arrest it and we don't stop squeeze and squeeze till the anger left. Them kids sing and feel like they get wet. But anytime we cut them, we take them. In a head, long time we are squeeze. Yo, I'ma make pray to me every day. She just want the faith. So why some youth a try to we on? Mommy, we have some friend at GP. Oh yes, them a feel the pain. And I who say concrete no call. The mafia, we have to hold the faith. But if a rookie violate, me nah go hold me brakes. Shot off the bone face, and blood a drip on me clocks when it touch your lace.